Hi everyone, it's Shannon and welcome to today's video. So today's video, I'm excited because I finally got my Beautylish lucky bag. I did get the extra large. The one that I showed you was my mom's and that was a regular. So I got the extra large, and just a reminder, the extra large is the one that is $150 and has a value of at least $300 in the box. So the one that my mom got was $75. That was I think 2 days ago. So let's go ahead and see what I got. If you want to know what a lucky bag is and all the information about the breakdown, I did talk about that in my first video. So you can just go up here to this link, and in the description box, there's timestamps and it says what is a lucky bag. So there you can go to the lucky bag and it gives you all the information. But essentially these go on sale every day after Christmas. So December 26th every year. They sell out quick. It's good to sign up in advance to get I think there's like an early access of an hour, but they do sell out pretty fast. So, this is the second year I'm doing it. So let's go ahead and see what is in my lucky bag. Okay, so I did already open it. I'm not too good at doing it on camera, so I just want to kind of get through everything because I already know whether or not it was lucky or not, and I'll explain everything at the end. But the first item is this slip. It is a pure silk sleep mask, and this is values at $50. And I can tell you, for me, this was unlucky. While I think this is a great, some people might really like this, I personally cannot wear a mask on my face. I have tried using sleep masks. I can't use them. I feel a little claustrophobic when I wear them. I would have rather had the scrunchies, to be honest. A couple people got like silk scrunchies. I would have loved that. Even the velvet scrunchies, I would have rather had that than this. So it's not that this is a bad product. It's just something that I'm just not going to use because I can't. So maybe it'll be a gift for somebody. But yeah, when I saw this was like okay. But it is what it is. That's what you get when you purchase one of these boxes. Okay, next up is the obligatory Good Molecules product, and this is the Good Molecules Ultra Hydrating Facial Oil. This is 0.44 ounces, and this runs $10. So I had seen quite a few people get this. So this is something that I expected something from Good Molecules, and this was something that wasn't hit or miss. I think it's a good product. I like facial oil, and I like that it's a smaller size so that I can use this probably in my travel bag. So that's something that I'll probably use, and I'll put this in my travel bag. But it wasn't, this I think is a good product, and it's something that I haven't tried before. I was expecting something from Good Molecules. I saw this in a lot of people's lucky bags, so not a surprise. I think it was a good product. Okay, next up is Wayne Goss. So just like my mom, I got the Wayne Goss lip pencil. And the good thing is I got it in a different shade. So this is the Natural Berry, and these run $14. And this is also not the shade I have from before. I think I have Sepia from last year. So very happy. I like this. I'm very excited. I think it's a pretty color. And that's the swatch right there. So please, I was expecting something from Wayne Goss, was not surprised to see this and not disappointed either. I like the pencils, they're really good, and I like the shade too. Okay, next up was the Wayne Goss lipstick. So again, expecting that because most people that were getting a lip liner were getting a lipstick. And I got the shade Carnation. So this is Carnation. Now it's a little darker than I probably would have preferred, but you can see it right there. So, but it's a really pretty pink, and I think it goes well with the liner. So, pleased with it. I like the Wayne Goss lipstick formula. These run at $28. And, again, not disappointed, kind of expecting it. And I'm just probably happy that it wasn't a shade that I got last year. So I did get a shade last year, and it's also a different shade than what was in my mom's lucky bag. So this was something I was pleased to see, and I like the color. Okay, and next up is a hair product. So this is from Orbe. I think it's Orbe. And it's the Feather Balm Weightless Styler. This runs $42 and it says shine, style, shine, and weightless control, specially developed for finer hair textures. This ultralight balm smooths and hydrates while imparting a hint of hold to blowouts, air dried textures, and finished styles that need a little polish. I should be wearing my glasses. So yeah, this is something, I really don't need a lot of hair products, but I don't think I have anything like this. So even though I have way too much hair products that I can even use right now, I don't have many products like this that's like a weightless styler that I put in my hair before, especially like to hold. So yeah, this is something I probably wouldn't have purchased, but you know, I definitely will use this. So this one was a good one. Okay, next up was some skincare, and this is from Holly Frog, and it is the Holly Frog Situational Skincare Grand Amino Cushion Cream. So it says for any time, any phase. It looks like it can be used morning, evening, and it's just a soothe and strengthen 11 amino acid blend. So yeah, again, I mean, if you've watched my channel, I have a lot of skincare. I get sent a lot more skincare than I get makeup. And there's only just so much skincare you can use. So I really don't need any cream, so I will probably use this. I think this is really great. I think this is a really great product. I got an AHA like exfoliator or something last year, and it's amazing. So it works really, really well. So the brand is really good, so I like it. I just have so many creams right now. But again, this one runs $60, so it's a good cream. So I'm looking forward to trying it. Probably not going to open it for a while because I'm working through a couple creams right now. But you know, this was a good, solid product, and I think for anybody else, this would be really good. Just for me, I just have, you know, too many creams I only have one face. Okay, and as always, there's some sort of brush or brushes, and a couple people got brush sets. I was really hoping for one of those brush sets, especially the eye. There was like an eye set. I didn't get that, but I did get one brush from Sonia G. So this is the Designer Pro brush. So really like this. My mom got the fan brush, which she's not going to use, but this, I'm not switching this one out because I am keeping this one. This one is, this I could see myself using it under the eye, using it just, I could use this for a lot. So this looks like it's a brush that could be multi-use. And ironically, all the brushes that I've gotten are this same style. It's like this, the Pro with the burgundy handle. I like that because I like that they all match. But you know, slowly adding my Sonia G brushes to my collection. Now this brush runs $46, and I mean, once you start using a couple Sonia G brushes, you realize why they are the price that they are, because they're just amazing. So very excited to have this one. This was a lucky one. Now it would have been really lucky if I'd gotten the set, but I'm happy to have gotten another Sonia G brush. Okay, so next up is an eyeshadow palette. Well, kind of. It's a little tiny eyeshadow quad, and it is the Viseart, and this is the Bouillon quad. Now, I love Viseart, but I like their Petite Pros, which are the ones with the 8 pans. I don't have any of their quads. I like the Petite Pros just because I think it's a really good, you're gonna get double you're basically getting double the amount of eyeshadow, but they're only $5 more. These run $25, and then the Petite Pros run $30. So, but I'm not disappointed because, again, I don't have any of these, and this one is really pretty, and it's something that I don't really have. So you've got this matte black, and then you've got 3 kind of shades of gold. So definitely something I'll use, probably, I don't know when, but I like it, and it's small enough that it's not going to take up a lot of space. So this one was not, there was a couple that were in, a lot of people were getting these. So a lot of people were getting these. I was not surprised to see this in my lucky bag, but there was probably some more that I would have liked instead, but I'm not disappointed with this one. Okay, so here's where it gets interesting. That was it. So that was everything that was in my lucky bag, and my lucky bag, which is a box. And this box was, I believe it was the same size as the one that was sent to my mom, but it just had a lot less stuff and it felt really light. Like it said it was almost 2 pounds, but when I picked it up, I'm like, this is not 2 pounds. And that was it. So I belong to a group on Facebook. I kind of posted the pictures and then I added everything up and the value was $275, which I was like, okay, something's off here. So I posted it in a group. Bunch of people said, I have the exact same box, but you're missing 2 items. They told me exactly which items. They said, you need to contact Beautylish, which is what I did. I emailed, or I did their chat feature, and then they emailed me back. They asked me to send some pictures. And they did say that, yes, I was missing 2 items. And basically what they said is they pre-sort. They don't know how they got missing, but they knew exactly. And the other items that people were saying, I got the same box and these are the 2 items. Those are the 2 items that they said I was missing. So evidently, like, there were certain boxes or certain bags and they had like the same exact items. So they are sending them to me. They're supposed to be here by the end of the week, which I thought was really great. They're sending them to me really fast. So I am getting them, which makes it a little bit better. So I'm going to talk about those products because I don't have them yet. So the first one is the Ilia. Okay, so it's the Ilia Color Haze Multi-Use Pigment in the shade Stutter, which is described as a burnt orange. And it is a game-changing cream blush and lip color in one. It stays dewy on cheeks and transforms to a modern matte finish on lips. So it runs $32. I'm a big fan of cream products, so I'm not really sure about the shades. It's burnt orange, but I do have a lot of pinks and stuff, so you know, maybe I'll really like it. I don't know. We'll see. But the shade is the only thing. I'm excited to try it. It has really good ratings. So, and I do like cream products and I've never tried Ilia. So, again, not really, it wasn't one that I was like excited about, but I was like, okay, great. So that is the first product. And then let's go for the second product. Okay, and the second product that I'm missing and the last product that will be in my lucky bag is the Charlotte Tilbury Darling palette. Now this is a 6-pan palette and unfortunately this I already have. So this was because I think with the lucky bag, you're supposed to get a palette, right? Like that's the big thing and you kind of hope like you get, and there's some people that got really good palettes. There's some people that got like, you know, some gadgets. There are some really good lucky bags, like really, really lucky. So while I was not surprised that I did get a duplicate because I have a lot of palettes, this was one that I was kind of like, okay. It runs $57. It is a $57, you know, eyeshadow palette. It's been around, I want to say mine is maybe 3 years old. So I might keep it and just, you know, because the one that I own probably needs to be decluttered, but it still works great. I still like it, but it is one of my favorite eyeshadow palettes from Charlotte Tilbury. I think it's one of those that's just very solid, but it was a little bit of a disappointment to see that and to see that was the one that was missing. You know, but it is what it is. That's what you get when you do these types of things. You're probably going to get duplicates and you may get stuff that you don't like. Now, okay, so let's go over all the products before we go to the grand total. So we have the Orbe, which was $42, the Holly Frog Cream, which was $60, the Sleep Mask, $50, the Darling Palette, $57, the Lip Pencil, $14, the Lipstick, $28, the Ilia Color Haze, $32, the Viseart Quad, $25, the Facial Oil, $10, and the Sonia G Designer Pro Brush was $46 with a grand total of $364. So the big question was I lucky? I don't think I was lucky for this bag, but I also don't think I was unlucky. Of the two, I think the better value was the one my mom got, the regular. And what I'm seeing this year is that the really lucky bags were the ones that were the regular ones. The extra large, there's a couple that I'm seeing, and again, this is just a group, a couple that are like spectacular, and then everybody's kind of like mine. Like it's okay. It's solid, it's good. But honestly, to get 2 small palettes to me was a little disappointing. That was a little disappointing, but again, it is what it is. I definitely got my value's worth. Beautylish did make it up and are sending me the 2 products that I'm missing, so that was good. And there's definitely products that I'm going to use. The slip mask, the sleep mask, I'm not going to use that. But, you know, I really wish I had gotten more makeup. I only got, well, I guess I got a couple more products. They're just not here. But I know last year I felt like I got more makeup and I didn't get that much. I got a lot of, you know, other things this year. So it is what it is. I'm not overly excited. I'm not disappointed. I'm just, okay, it was good. Yeah. Okay. Will I do this next year? Yeah. I think it's fun. I enjoy it. And if I'm not going to use the products, I'm definitely going to, you know, gift them. Someone's getting a sleep mask, but it's a fun thing to do. Will I do both? You know, with my mom, probably. She enjoys it, and then I usually switch it out. She will probably get the Darling palette, and I will take the Hindash. But, you know, it is what it is. So with that, if you like this video, click like, click and subscribe. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Bye, everyone.